Hey, John Crestani here, and in this video, I'm gonna show you 7 different Fiverr gigs that you can do very simply to earn money from on the internet. None of these require any skills, any technical expertise, or any marketing expertise to earn money. You get payments directly to your PayPal account. Just follow the simple steps that I'm about to show you in this video to earn money from these Fiverr gigs. Let's go. Now, for those of you who don't know, Fiverr is a marketplace where marketers like me and other business owners that run online businesses go to purchase cost-effective services from individuals all over the world. Again, this is something anybody around the world can participate in and sell services to earn money from. Let's get that money gun going, folks. Okay, there you go. So let's go over the 7 different Fiverr gigs that you can post on Fiverr.com to earn money from Fiverr. Now note that I specifically selected these 7 different services that you can post on Fiverr to earn money from because none of them require you to have any skills or experience or expertise in anything. So if you have no skills or experience doing anything online, you can earn money from this. You can earn as much as $500 per week if you post these things on Fiverr, and you'll get clients. So just post these gigs, folks, if you want to make money. And for those of you who are dedicated and motivated to make this happen, type in hoorah in the comments below if you're going to actually apply these steps and take action. The biggest problem that I really see with people not making money on the internet is honestly just folks watch these videos and they don't actually do anything. Now, the first Fiverr gig that you want to post to earn money from is offering people to test their websites or software services. Now, for folks like me with websites, tons of websites, I have a software, pretty robust software. I need testers all the time. I need people to go through my websites and see if there are any errors, see if there are any problems, see if there are any bugs. And I need lots of people to test my websites and lots of people to test my software to make sure that it shows up right on all different sorts of devices, and also that it just, to figure out things that I may do wrong that don't make sense. The second easy service that you can offer with 0 skills, 0 experience, 0 anything is removing backgrounds for folks. There are so many people out there, businesses and just regular people alike, who want a background removed from a photo. Now, fortunately for you, you don't need to be a video editor or photo editor or any of that stuff to be able to remove backgrounds from people's photos. All you need to do is sign up for a free subscription to Canva.com. Canva is a free image editor that has all sorts of crazy functionalities that allow you to do things that would honestly blow your mind and make many folks think you are a professional photo editor. All you need to do is go to Google and search how to remove backgrounds using Canva, and literally it will be 2 clicks for you to remove a background from any photo, and you will be able to sell that service to folks on Fiverr and earn real hard cash. The third service you can offer folks on Canva is to create custom album covers or custom artwork for them. Now, you might be thinking, John, how am I gonna create artwork if I'm not an artist, man? You don't need to be an artist to create artwork. We actually have artificial intelligence that creates artwork for us nowadays. Now, I'm gonna leave a link in the description. It's to a website called This Artwork Does Not Exist. And what it is it's an artificial intelligence program created by, I don't know, aliens maybe, that creates artwork, unique artwork, every time you refresh the page. It's honestly kind of insane the level that artificial intelligence is getting to, but just by knowing where to get something done can earn you money. Just by watching this video and knowing how to connect the dots between people who want artwork done and artificial intelligence programs that will create artwork for them, you can earn money. And I think that is a reason to spank that like button a few times and subscribe to this channel. And if this is getting you stoked type in hoorah in the comments below. Let's move on to number 4, which is SEO reports. Now, SEO stands for search engine optimization, and folks like me who make a living off of having our websites found need to have our websites show up in the search engines such as Google and Bing. So search engine optimization is very important to folks like me, and we're willing to pay money for these SEO reports. Now, fortunately for you, you can create these reports for free. There are websites, and I will leave the links in the description, that will create all manner of SEO reports for you for free, without any payment information, without any experience or skills. And you can sell these reports to other people for real money. Just because the report was free doesn't mean you don't have to charge for it. Again, the internet is a big place, and being able to connect point A to point B is worth a lot of money and is very valuable to many folks in today's day and age. The 5th way to make money using Fiverr is offering folks to design t-shirts for themselves or for their company. Now, you can do this for free using a site called Placeit. Placeit has all manner of templates that you can use to just drag and drop images onto the Placeit website, and it creates these beautiful designs, and you can then sell those designs. Heck, you could even print up the t-shirts for folks and charge them even more money. Now, Fiverr gig number 6 that you can do to make a lot of money is offering to create video ads for local businesses on Fiverr. Now, the typical local business will pay around $500 to $1,500 out here in the US to have a video produced for them, and they will pay another $500 to $1,500 to have the video edited for them. That means local businesses such as restaurants and nail salons, basic businesses you walk and drive by on the street, are willing to spend from $1,000 to $3,000 for the creation of a video ad they can use for marketing, and you can create it for them for free and sell it to them for whatever you want. Now, once again, these businesses are spending thousands of dollars to have video ads created for them, and you can do it for free by using my software called Marketing Tech. Marketing Tech is completely free to sign up for, and what it is it's software that allows folks to advertise local businesses. I'm talking your brick and mortar businesses, plumbers, HVAC repair, pool repair, tree trimmers, Indian restaurants, Mexican restaurants, pet sitters, babysitters, and all sorts of other local businesses. We have over 100 categories now, and we create the video ads for free. Once again, folks, it costs us money, but we have a lot of money invested in our company, mostly by me. I've been funding the development of this entire software so that you can use it for free. Now, the 7th idea for making money using Fiverr, offering your services using Fiverr, is setting up local advertising on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and or Google for local businesses. Now, my software Marketing Tech allows you to advertise over 100 different business categories. Again, I mentioned a number of them, but we have Mexican restaurants, Indian restaurants, American restaurants, nail salons, tree trimmers, pool repair, all these different categories that you can set up advertising for without spending a dime of your own money to access our software. Most local businesses will pay $3,000 for just a video ad alone, and to have their ad set up on Google or YouTube or Facebook or Instagram, local businesses typically spend an average of $500 to $1,000 on each of those social platforms to have their ads set up. That's not even the cost of advertising. Again, you can offer to set up their advertising for $0 using my software, which is completely free to you. And if you want to check out my software Marketing Tech, there's a link down in the description where you can sign up for free. I really hope that you're able to use it to to start a business marketing real-world businesses that we walk by and drive by every day. And I'd be really excited to see all of your success as you create your own little marketing business without any skills or experience. It would be fantastic. Now, there is an additional income opportunity that you can make with my software. If you actually do the advertising for these local businesses through my software, you can earn additional money. You can earn 20 to 40%, or that equates to anywhere from $100 to $400 per month per local business that you sign up to that wants to buy advertising on Facebook or Google or YouTube or Instagram.